Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Smule songs as mp3 on your device. Now if you want to download the Smule songs as mp3 on your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Smule app on a device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Smule, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various songs at the home page itself. Now to download the Smule songs, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and under the channel page you'll be able to see all the recordings or the things which you have done, and you'll also see the number of recording below your profile page. So currently I have 0 recording and I won't be able to show it to you how to download it, but I can guide you. So you may simply tap on the recording, and on your iPhone you can simply install it from the app itself because there is no inbuilt download option available. So you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side, and you just need to make sure that your screen recording is on, and after making sure that your screen recording is on, you just need to play the recording and you just need to be silent for a bit, and after doing all of it, the screen recording will be saved on a device and you will be able to download it like this. But for the Android users, you may simply search the app which says song downloader for Smule, and you may simply copy the link of the recording and you may place it on the app itself and you'll be able to install it from there. So that's it. That's how you can download the Smule song as mp3 on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.